If you could make money just by walking, would you do it? Well, let's dive into this video. I'll be very brief and get to the point. There is an app that actually pays you money just for walking. When I say walking, I literally mean counting your steps. Now, walking is free. You can do it outside, inside, indoors, outdoors, at work, while doing chores, whatever you do for the entire day. Once you're not bedridden, you will be doing some sort of steps. And if your steps are calculated using the app WeWard, then you can potentially make money. Now, let me explain how the system works. First of all, you must have the app installed on your phone. Once the app is installed on your phone, then you just need to have your phone with you so that as you do your steps throughout the day, these steps are calculated. And at the end of the day, you must validate your footsteps because these steps will eventually be converted to points. And these points are converted into coins. Then these coins, eventually when they accumulate, they can become actual money. Now, starting at this simplest tier, you can easily make $10, well, 10 euros in my case. And if you have more coins, you can actually make more money. An advantage here too is that if you have a premium account, you can make much more for fewer coins than if you just have a free account like what I do. Secondly, it is not limited to only making money, meaning a direct transfer to your bank account. You can also get discounts. For example, the last time I went to Annecy, this blog right here, I didn't pay everything out of my pocket because I actually got a discount card from this very app. You can also get Amazon gift cards, you can get maybe Carrefour gift cards. There are a lot of different gift cards that you can get based on the value of your coins because again, coins are converted into money or gift cards or other prizes. Games, phones, shoes, watches, accessories, and you name it. But remember, you need to have enough gold coins. However, to be eligible for these, shall I say, competitions or to be eligible to actually win any of these major prizes, you must actually keep an eye out for the competitions. From time to time, they will show them. You just need to go on and you need to sort of buy a ticket. You need the in-app gold to buy a ticket. One more point I forgot. There are various ways to accelerate the process of gaining more points. So you could sometimes go to different spots on this map right here, and by going to the spots, you get certain rewards. Or by completing certain daily challenges, maybe walking for 1 hour or doing 7,000 steps in 1 hour or 30 minutes. There are various challenges if you want to accelerate the process. For example, I don't really do these challenges because I'm just too lazy. So this app is just a regular part of my life where I don't exert more energy or effort than I need to. So if you'd like to know more, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe of course, and download the app. With that said, I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.